Okay, so brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. We.
Oh.
Oh!
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Yay!
We're doing a special song just for you.
Yeah, guys, we wanted to make a really, really happy, fun dance and picnic.
And
December song.
Yeah, and we're going to premiere today.
Yeah.
We're premiering
we're
a
so
song.
excited for it.
Yeah. It's a Dream Again song.
And I think we have just a couple more lines, yeah?
Yeah, we do. We need to find another. So one, we have clap your hands together and sing with us. And then what if we do stomp your feet?
Oh yeah. Stomp your feet along and dance with us.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Is
one.
that good? Okay.
Stomp your
dance.
And then we should do we all sing and play.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Maybe it's better if we all sing and play instead of we all sing and play. We should do we all sing and play. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, and then maybe the next one is like we all learn and teach, because we
that's a
learn
good
and
one.
teach each other, right?
Yeah. And then we all dance and paint.
Ooh, yeah,
Oh, no.
I like that.
Oh,
Wait. How about read and paint?
Oh yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
one.
because we read and we paint. Okay,
Yeah,
hold on.
because we haven't been dancing.
No, not yet.
No, soon. Well, you just have to learn that.
I don't know how to dance yet.
To dream again, be in our world. Let's dream again. Oh no, that should be like let's dream again. Oh, okay, that's a good one.
Okay.
I think now we got it then.
Again. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Okay.
Kids, are you ready for the premiere of our song called We Are Family?
Yay! We really, really hope you guys like it. We worked
Yep.
really hard on it. I was very excited.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I like writing songs and I haven't really done it much.
I know.
Yeah, you've done so much.
Well, I enjoy it. Working together is fun too.
Yeah, this has been very fun. It's a nice collaboration.
Collaboration? What's
Yeah.
collaboration?
Collaboration is when two or more people work together on something. Collaboration. It's like a team project.
Oh, that's what we've been doing. We've
Yeah.
been working together on this song.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So we've been collaborating.
Yeah, yep, we have. We've done very well.
That's pretty cool.
All right, are you ready to play?
I am ready.
Okay,
Okay, let me just tune the piano.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint. So come along, yes, come along to dream again. Be in our world. Let's dream again. So be who you are. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint.
So come along and dream. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. Woo! Yeah! Oh,
Yeah.
that was so
That
nice.
is amazing. Woo!
Woo! So good. That was really good.
Yeah, kids, did you enjoy that one?
Yeah, I hope that you guys did. I think it's a really fun one because you can dance to it and sing along and kind of bob your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really
Or
good.
stomp your feet.
Yeah, or clap your hands.
Yeah.
All sorts of stuff.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it's very,
And
very
had
good.
everybody in. Brother, sister,
Yeah.
mommy, daddy. All of
Yeah,
us.
All of us.
Yep.
Yeah.
In our Dream Again world.
Dream again!
Yay!
And we have that in there too. Dream again in our...
Let's dream. Dream again.
Dream
So be who
again.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Be in our world. Let's
Let's
dream again. So be who you are.
Ooh, should we do like a really fun version like that?
Oh yeah, we
Okay, yeah?
can.
Okay, let's do a really fun version like that. Okay,
Okay.
1 second. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint. So come along, yes, come along to dream again. Be in our world. Let's dream again. So be who you are. Ooh. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Come and sing with us. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. Woo! We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint. So come along and dream. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. Woo! Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. Woo! Woo! Yay, that's my favorite one.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
From all of the ones we've done?
Yeah, I think I just like it because it's got so much energy and it's really fun, but maybe it's only my favorite because we did it today. I don't know. Every day I think I have a new favorite. So
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You're funny.
Yeah. I just like a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, kids, is this your favorite song that we've created?
Ooh, yeah, let us know. That'd
Yeah.
be really neat.
Or let us know if any of the other songs we've done you like better than this one.
Yeah, and if you have a song, you could send it in and we could play it maybe. That'd be fun.
We'll be happy to sing it for you and with you and with a lot of other people.
Yeah, that'd be really fun. The whole Dream Again family singing together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Sounds great to me.
Well, if you don't know the song yet, then stay on for the sing-along version.
Yeah.
So you can learn it.
The sing-along version's coming right up, and that's a really good song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, kids. Thanks for watching Dream Again.
Yeah, thanks for coming. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for being in our world and spending time with us.
Yeah, we are family.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yay. All right,
Okay.
we'll see you guys soon.
See you guys soon. Bye.
We
A family.
So,
So
clap
clap
your hands together
and sing.
with us. Yeah, dream again. Be in our world. Let's dream again. So be who you are. We can all be who we are, right?
Yeah, I like being who I am.
Okay.
It's a lot easier than being someone else anyways.
Yep, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, all right. See you next time, huh?
See you. Yep.
Okay, see you guys. Bye.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!